smell like cup noodles.
My bread?
No. When you open the cookies, it smells like cup noodles.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have my boyfriend here. And we're doing a Crumbl review.
That is the caramel pumpkin, and as you see, it looks like pumpkin with... I don't know what kind of cream that is.
The cream is falling.
Oh my god!
Okay, we're gonna break this. So this is how the inside is looking like. You see.
Damn, girl.
Oh
yeah.
I forgot we went to the gym. I really like the frosting. I like this part.
Yeah, the cookie's good. The cookie just tastes like a pumpkin cookie to me, but I don't taste any caramel.
Oh!
Yeah, just...
I just realized it was a caramel pumpkin. The cookie was okay. It didn't really taste like caramel. But it tasted really good. I forgot it was in caramel. But that's what the rating's based on what it's supposed to be.
Yeah, what it's supposed to be, I would give it like a 6 out of 10. But the cookie was good though. It's just not what it is.
So what we rated, just like the cookie itself, not what it's supposed to be.
Like 8 out of 10.
Fact. I'm gonna give the cookie what it's supposed to be. It's giving a 6 because it's nothing like, it just doesn't taste like caramel. But the cookie itself is really good, so I'd give it an 8.5. So what's the next one?
You're choosing now. I chose the first one.
I think I'm gonna do the peanut butter first because these are like fruits. So the next one we have.
Oh my god!
This is the next one. We're gonna break it. Oh shit!
Oh, okay. You hear that crunch?
That crunch. You mean the soft sound? I know you really like that one.
Yeah, this one's great.
The peanut butter was good, but I feel like ever since I tried like the cookie warm and it's peanut butter, like nothing beats that. Like you gotta have it warm every single time. But I haven't, you know, it's nut butter.
What the hell do you have in your face?
What?
You got some nut butter on your face. Yeah, there's some shit right there.
So I feel like it was cool. It was nothing too crazy. I thought it was gonna be better, honestly. So my rating is going to be a 7.
Well, it was exactly a peanut butter cookie, and I'm a big fan of peanut butter. I don't know what the frosting was. It tasted like peanut butter as well. I went with it. Big fan of peanut butter. Love it. Love the cookie. Give it a 9 out of 10. Only thing I wish was it was warm.
I'm saying like warm, because after we had the shit warm, that shit was. I forgot what cookie was that. I think this one's gonna be my favorite because I love lemon. Okay. So this is a lemon one. We're gonna break.
Fail.
There's so many fails in this one video.
So it's a blooper.
Now I'm including the clip. Ron, what the fuck are you talking about?
Let me go first since she's still eating. So it is basically exactly as the cookie is, a lemon cookie. And I don't know how I feel about lemon cookies. It didn't taste bad, but it didn't taste good. Well, at least to me, with like the lemon flavoring and everything. So I'm just gonna give it a 6 out of 10.
A 6?
I don't think lemon should go on cookies.
You never had like the lemon cookies growing up? Like this is lemon cookie. If I find it, I'm gonna include in the clip. But I used to grow up with these lemon cookies. My dad used to always buy them. That was good. Okay. That was really good. It was like lemoning, but it wasn't too much lemon. Like, it was a perfect balance. The cookie was warm, it was soft, it was moist. It was so fucking good. It reminded me of another lemon cookie, but I find that I'm included. But if I don't, I'll tell you. If y'all know what I'm talking about, just comment down below. It's like a Dominican cookie. I don't know if it's Dominican or Spanish, but it's like a Spanish cookie that they be having in stores. I really hope y'all know what I'm talking about. But besides that, that's deadass a 9.5 out of 10. The next time I'm not giving it a 10 out of 10 because I wish it was like more crispier on the side. But besides that shit was bussin'. Last but not least, the one I'm not excited for at all. I really don't think I'm gonna like this cookie. I'm
never said that and ended up loving it.
But this is raspberry. I'm not even seeing me eat raspberry
all the time.
Lie one more time. Oh shit, it's falling. I'm really sucking with the cuts today to get the Crumbl cookie cutter. So it's the one. And I want the cream.
The sauce is good. A little raspberry sauce. So it is, I don't know what kind of cookie that is.
It was like raspberry syrup with like the donut shit.
That's what it kind of felt like a donut. Yeah, like a donut, like those raspberry donuts. It kind of tasted like that. I'm a fan of those. I don't know if I'm a fan of this stuff. The raspberry flavor or like the syrup definitely saved this. If it was just a regular cookie without that, I don't think it would have been good. So with that being said, I'm trying to decide if it was better than the lemon one. Yeah, I actually think it was better than the lemon one. So I'll give that a 6.5 out of 10.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. What happened to Virgil? Listen, what is that song?
My face in the beginning of it. At first it tasted sour, but then when I was eating it, like I was trying to get out the mood of like, okay, not all raspberry is bad. I don't really like raspberry at all. Point is, I had a bad impression for it, but it wasn't that bad the more I ate it. But I don't like the syrup that much. I feel like the cookie is what saved it. I feel like the cookie was superior. Yeah, like I want to have it without the syrup. The syrup wasn't carrying. But with that being said, I think my rating would be like a 5 out of 10.
Damn. Okay.
And y'all saw me take extra bites because it's 12:10 p.m. and he hasn't fed me. And we're not even gonna eat. We're gonna go to the gym after this, you know. So I may eat like another 2 hours. That's it for today's video. Make sure you like this video, comment down below what you want me to try, what Crumbl cookies y'all want to try, and what's your favorite if y'all tried it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more food reviews and all of that recipes. I think I'm gonna do most of my food reviews, well, longer ones on my YouTube channel rather than on my TikTok and shit like that, to see how y'all like it, how y'all fucking with the girl.
Yeah, and do like clips on TikTok or some shit.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was gonna do. And if y'all just want to see mini clips or you want to see exclusive content, all my different pages have exclusive content, different content. So make sure you check it out and make sure you come back for another video.